$1,000,000 pie. Perfect recipe for when you ain't got enough time, money, or skill, and you want to impress your family. Because it's only going to take 2 minutes, cost under $15, and you'll get 2 pies. So let's go. 1 pack of cream cheese that's been sitting out for 20 minutes to soften. 1 whole can of sweetened condensed milk. 1 tub of Cool Whip, which is about 8 ounces. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract that I forgot to show. Whip it together until it's well combined and silky smooth. 1 can of drained crushed pineapple. At this point, I'd usually add a jar of drained maraschino cherries, but my grandson ate them, so we'll just continue with what we do have, which is a half a cup of pecans, half a cup of sweet coconut flakes. Combine well until everything's thoroughly incorporated. Now pour it into a store-bought graham cracker crust. Now just spread it out evenly, just like this here. Now top it with the coconut and pecans to make it pretty. Once done, cover it and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Or you can be like me and make it the day before. Because in my opinion, the longer it sits in the fridge, the better it tastes. I didn't bother making the second one pretty because it was staying home with me. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Take care.